Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Komal Shekhawat and I hope you all are doing wonderful. In this video, I shall explain some of the most useful tricks that you can use while working on Microsoft Excel to make your task efficient. So let's get started. So the first trick is, suppose you want to select, let's say, first 100 cells from A to F in one go. So instead of using your mouse to drag till 100th cell, what you can do is just select A to F, okay, using a shift and arrow key. And then in the name box, this is called the name box, okay? In the name box, what you have to write is F100 if you want to select first 100 cells from A to F, right? And then hold your shift key and tap enter. So you can see I have not used my mouse and the selection has been done, right? So you can create border for this selection using this border option in the font segment. You can select on this drop down option and then you can select the desired border that you want for this particular selection from cell 1 to 100. So I'm using this all borders option and you can see the border has been created till 100th cell. Okay. So this is how you can quickly select a desired range of cells in one go using this option. Okay. The next trick is, suppose you want to create a list of serial number from 1 to 100 or 1000. So what you can do is, instead of manually typing, you can use this code. And the code is, first you have to write 1 in the first cell, and then what you have to do is hold your Alt key plus H F I S, and you will see a dialog box will open in front of you. And here you need to select the option columns because we want the numbering in a vertical format. And then you need to add a stop value here. So I want a serial number entry till 100. So I'll add the stop value as 100. And you can choose any stop value. Okay. And then click on OK. And you can see automatically the series will be generated till 100 cell. Okay, so quickly you can create serial number till any number you want to. This is the second trick. Now the third trick is, suppose you have a list of name of some candidates and you have the full names, right? So you have been asked to separate the first name and the last name. So what you can do is, for the first entry, manually write the first name, okay, and the last name. All right. Now, to separate the first name and the last name, just after the first entry, select the cell. So right now I am here in the C4 cell, and then the command here is use your control key and tap E. Okay, so you can see. So in the similar way, you can separate the last name. What you have to do is just select your control key and tap E. Right, so you can see the first name and the last name has been separated. Now what if you have a list of names of some applicants and the first name and last name are already separated and you have been asked to put together the names, the first name and the last name. So what you have to do is you have to create a column wherein you can write full name, and first you have to manually write the full name of the first candidate. Okay. And once you have done so, just coming to the next cell of the very entry. And right now I'm in E4 cell, and you have to use the same command again, that is hold your control key and tap E. And you can see in just a click, you can get the full name of the candidates. Okay. So this is how you can quickly make your task efficient in Microsoft Excel. So if you want such videos, do follow and do share the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.